everyone. It's been over a month since we're all in lockdown, and I know you really want to go back to your old routine. I mean, go out once again, go to shopping malls with your friends to play. But what to do? If we have to beat this virus, we have to stay indoors. So, to keep you entertained during the lockdown, I am back with yet another episode of Fun Crafts with me, Aishwarya, where I'll be showing you how to make some amazing wild creatures with paper. So today we are going to be making an amphibian. Now amphibians are creatures that can live both on land and in water. And this amphibian is the most commonly found one, okay? It has a slimy skin, it has very good jumping skills, and they croak. I'm pretty sure you already know what they are. Yes, it's frogs! So now frogs are the most diverse species that are found across the world with more than 6,000 subspecies of them. So let's go ahead and bring our frog prince home, shall we? So I have with me a 15 centimeter square blue color craft paper and a pen to draw the eyes. So let's start by taking the right side to the left side and you make a fold. Now you take the top right corner and you bring it to the left hand side like this in the shape of a triangle and you make a crease. Now you open it out and you take the top left side and bring it to the right side in the form of a triangle and you make a crease. So when you open it out, you should get your first X. Please ignore its tail. Now what you do is you take the bottom right and bring it to the left side also. And you make a fold. Open it out and take your bottom left to the right side again. And you make a crease like a triangle. So now when you open it, you're having two X's on the paper. So keeping it flat, what I want you to do is cup the left and the right side like this. And I want you to fold them inward along the crease that we have made. And then use your right index finger to flatten it out like a triangle, something like this. So this would be the first triangle that you have made. Okay, so you should be getting something like this. Now what you do, to repeat the procedure for the other side also. So you take the right and left edges, you cup them in your hands and you fold it inward like this, and with your index finger just flatten it out so that it forms a triangle. Now you see this flap over here, the right side flap, fold it up so that it folds exactly in the center like this. Just fold it up. And you ease out the crease. Now you take the left hand side and also fold it to the center imaginary vertical line. Let's do it for the bottom side also. So you take the right side flap and bring it down this time so that it's directly in line with this. You make a fold here. And same thing for the left flap also. You bring it down. You ease it out like this. There you go. This is done. Next is you take the right flap, okay, the top right, and you fold this to meet this edge at an angle. So you're basically folding it like this to meet this edge. This one, okay? You make a nice fold. Bring this flap also to meet this edge. And you make a fold. The top two done, the bottom two also. So you're going to take this flap and you're going to bring it to this edge. Now these are going to be the hind and the front legs of the frog. Same thing for the opposite side also, for the left side. Fold it here. Okay, you have this right now. Now, at this point, I want you to turn the entire piece over so that this portion faces you. Now you're seeing this bottom portion of the square. This I want you to fold upwards like a triangle at these corners. So where the legs are over there, I want you to bring this triangle up. So holding this down, just fold this up like this and you crease it out. So this would form the back of your frog. Now you see these two corners over here on either side. Just think that there is an imaginary vertical line running from this top corner to the bottom, so cutting the whole piece in half. So you fold these two portions inside to meet that center imaginary line. Just fold it inward like this. So this gives some structure to the body of your frog. Take the left side also and you fold it inward. So at this point your frog something like this. Now keeping it flat, at this point I want you to fold the frog down. So you see these 2 points here. So think you have a imaginary horizontal line here and just fold it at this point, the frog down, and press it out. Frog is almost ready, okay? Now what you do is, you're seeing this, right? You have the frog folded over like this. Now, keeping the bottom flat, you lift this portion of the fold and just fold this in half so that this edge meets this edge. Okay, so what will enable your frog to jump. So at this point the paper is quite thick, so make sure you fold it like really well. So see, your frog's almost ready. Now all we have to do is draw the eyes. So you take a black pen, sketch pen or a pencil and draw 2 eyes over here on these side flaps, okay? Try and keep them in the same line. And done! So there you go, your frog prince is ready. So till the next episode, stay safe, stay at home, see ya!